Looking for a fast-charging, ultra-responsive stylus for your iPad? Meet the 2X Fast Charge Active Stylus Pen, designed for 2018 to 2025 Apple iPads. Take your creativity and productivity to the next level. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Bitcoin flat as White House sends mixed signals on technology tariffs. What does it mean for the market and cryptocurrency? The big question is what will happen to these tech tariffs in the coming week. We'll take a look at some analysis from Bitcoin Bulletin's Jeff May, who explains how this exemption affects popular consumer electronics categories like smartphones and computers. The market saw a material rebound as popular consumer electronics categories were exempted from the 125% tariffs on China, says Jeff May. Even after Trump mentioned that they would simply be moving to another bucket of tariffs rather than exempted altogether, markets held their gain amidst rumors that business leaders were able to convince the Trump administration to peel back some of their highest tariffs. But what does this mean for the future of global supply chains? Bitcoin Bulletin's Shoria weighs in. From our side, we believe there will be challenges to shift global supply chains away from China overnight, and that low-end, low-margin manufacturing is most likely going to shift to other Asian countries after they broker trade deals. However, some analysts see this as an opportunity for China's semiconductor industry. Analysts in China acknowledge short-term disruptions from the semiconductor tariffs, but broadly view them as an opportunity to accelerate domestic innovation, localization, and supply chain restructuring, ultimately benefiting China's semiconductor industry in the long run, notes Bitcoin Bulletin. And what about China's own tariffs on U.S. origin chips? We take a closer look at how this might affect the sector. China has announced its own tariffs on semiconductors, hitting U.S. origin chips with a 34% tariff. But here's the catch: most U.S. chip companies don't operate their own fabs and instead rely on Taiwan's TSMC. As we move forward in this ever-changing landscape of technology tariffs, it's essential to stay informed about what's happening in both China and the West. Bitcoin Bulletin is here to provide you with the latest insights and analysis so you can make more informed decisions in the world of cryptocurrency. In Hong Kong, a new exchange-traded fund has been approved to offer staking services for Ether. And while some analysts are seeing gains in Bitcoin, others argue that popular Ethereum ETFs have actually seen losses over time. Let's wrap up by taking a look at how these developments might impact the crypto market in the weeks ahead. As always, stay tuned for more updates from Bitcoin Bulletin.